In this video, I'm going to look at inverses of functions. So I've got a function here, and the inverse is written as f to the minus 1x. Now I want to find the inverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this function and I'm going to make it x equals, and I'm going to change this x to a y. And all I'm going to do is make y the subject of the equation, and then what's left I can put up here as my f to the minus 1x. So to make the y the subject, I need to add 2 to both sides to get rid of this. So 5y here, and I have x plus 2 on the left side. And now to get y on its own, I need to divide by 5. So I divide all of this by 5. And as you can see, I've now got y as the subject. So what's left here is my inverse function. So inverse functions are all about making y the subject. So remember how I started with x equals, and this, I replaced the x with the y. So we're going to do another one. So I'm going to start off again by making it x equals and replace that with a y. So it's the same equation but with a y. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. And then I'm going to square both sides, because that squaring of both sides will get rid of the square root. So it becomes 3x squared in a bracket equals y minus 4. Now I'm going to add 4 to both sides, but I'm also going to take this bracket off. So the 2 squares the 3 as well. So we end up with 9x squared, add 4 to both sides, and I'm left with just y. Y is now the subject of the equation, so now I can say that f to the minus 1x, which is the inverse of the original function, is 9x squared plus 4. So this is about finding very simple inverses. There is a second video which looks at some more complicated algebra with the inverses.